Oh my gosh, you have the whole flock here today.
That's right.
I love it.
Excuse me?
Abby's like, what is happening?
Yeah, I was thinking she might freak out with all these.
Good.
Good girl.
Good girl. Oh, you guys are awesome. I love it.
Good girl, Abby. It's okay. Good girl.
We're on a leash.
Yeah, we got her on a leash. It's okay. Good girl. See?
Greatest dog so far.
Yeah. Look at that. What do we have here, huh?
Awesome. Oh, I love it.
Equally awesome.
So we've got a visit from Krampus here at Typewriter Fever.
So cool.
Okay, Krampus, this is your hate mail to Santa. Precursor to the wrestling match, okay? Let him have it. Sneak it behind you here. Should have brought out the jumbo typewriter. You can see he's a touch typist or a hunt and peck. You don't have to be too careful with that typewriter. Oop, let's get these keys up there. There you go. Krampus is like cramps. Cramping the keys, Krampus. There you go. That's 2 words per minute, folks. He's having a bad day. Oh, that's profanity. We can't tell the we can't we can't videotape that. Whoops, excuse me.
No, on your computer. So this is called the computer. Oh. Your computer.